So I've become a grandma at 24. Life में balance होना चाहिए. Sorry, moving on. Hello.
Oh, hi Mahima, what's up?
All good. You tell me.
This is What Makes Your Home by Vaaree, and we're so excited to be back in Bombay.
So am I. What are you waiting for? Come on in.
So what's your favorite cozy corner at home?
This is exactly my favorite cozy corner because every morning I come here with Parinda, which is my retriever. I come here, soak in some light, sit with him, caress him, get my masala chai, and this is where I think sit the most.
What's your favorite scent or candle right now?
Right now I am obsessing over vanilla and cocoa.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
In my house, I think I have become more of a homebody, irrespective of whatever hour it is. I love staying at home. Like I have friends who like to go out, party, and I'm like, nahi, mujhe ghar pe baithna hai. I just want to like probably watch something on TV, I'll get a good movie, read a book, or just sit by myself and do nothing. So I've become a grandma at 24. But to answer your question, I am a homebody.
What are you currently watching?
I'm watching Schitt's Creek, and it's the best show ever. I'm also watching something very dark side by side, which is Poacher. It's a balance. Life में balance होना चाहिए. Sorry, moving on.
Do you have a go-to comfort food you enjoy at home?
Everything that's made at home is my comfort food, but I love my evenings where I have my chai and makhana. It's the best snack ever. And another favorite comfort meal, maybe dal rice with some bhindi.
If you could invite somebody for this home-cooked meal, who would it be?
There are so many people that I can think of, but somebody that comes to my mind at first, SRK, because who doesn't love him? And I've seen so many of his interviews. He is such an intelligent, charming man, and he's such a conversationalist. So I would love to have him over and not only talk about cinema but life.
So is there any home decor trend that you're currently obsessed with?
Yes, and that is bohemian theme, and something that we have tried incorporating in my house, which is this beautiful wallpaper, and it stands out in the whole living room because it's green and it's against some pastel color and some lights around it. So there you go.
So what are you currently reading?
I'm reading Palace of Illusions.
This looks like a place you could really unwind after a busy day.
I enjoy sitting here and sometimes reading my book or actually do nothing, because I think those days are also very important.
So what makes your home your home?
To me, home is an empty canvas which is filled with unlimited colors. Between the black and white, there is a grey. And I think home or life is about the greys. To answer your question, my home is my safe space and my happy space.
And here's something from Vaaree to you.
Thank you. Yay!